Warm greetings, everybody. This is English for Ethiopia for Grade 10 presented by ተስፋዬ። ሰላም እንደምን አላችሁ ተማሪዎች? ይህ አስረኛ ክፍል የእንግሊዝኛ ቋንቋ ትምህርት ነው። Unit 8 The Healing Power of Plants ምዕራፍ 8 The Healing Power of Plants የሚለውን እናያለን። Welcome back to our educational video series. That means in Unit 8, the first video, students, before we came to start and discuss the main point for today, it's better to remind you what we discussed in the previous chapter video, that is the Unit 7 video 3. We discussed more about what is the reported speech, or what the difference between direct speech and indirect speech when you see the actual word of the speaker or directly quoted from the speaker. We call it direct speech when it comes to, or when you convey the message to a third party. We call it indirect speech or reported speech. They are about three rules when you change direct speech to indirect or reported speech. The first one is we're expected to see the tense. Another one is the time and the pronoun. So that was the main point. Another one is we also reviewed what writing is, especially argumentative writing. When you want to convince others using argumentative essay, it is very important to list some point of view about others' idea, I mean the general truths, and especially to opposite ideas, what somebody else say about something, or in the contrary. And then after that, we're expected to mention our position or our stand, to explain or to convince others. Today we'll see the healing power of plants. እንግዲህ ተማሪዎች በዛሬው ክፍለ ጊዜያችን the healing power of plants የሚለውን እንጀምራለን። በዚህ በስምንተኛው ምዕራፍ ማለት ነው። ወደ ዋናው ርዕሳችን ከመግባታችን በፊት what are the general objectives of the unit? የዩኒቱ አጠቃላይ ጠቅለል ብሎ ኦብጀክቲቭ ምንድን ነው የሚለውን እናያለን ማለት ነው። The first one is at the end of this unit, you will be able to listen to an expository passage and extract specific information. Great job. Specific information now. Work out the contextual meaning of the word is that they learn from the passage and use them in their communication when or where necessary. Another one is the quantifiers, different quantifiers, the grammar part or the passage, and explain the benefits of different plants in healing different diseases. እንግዲህ የተለያዩ ፕላንቶችን የመፈወስ ኃይል ከጽሁፎች እናያለን። but our main target is to use the language. Another work out the contextual meaning of words from the passage as usual. Next, examine data from graph and explain them into their essays. We can see graph አይተን እንግዲህ ፓራግራፍ ልንጽፍ እንችላለን. We can develop a paragraph after seeing table or graph በማየት እንግዲህ ምንባቦችን ልንጽፍ እንችላለን ማለት ነው፣ ወይም ቴክስት ክሬት ልናደርግ እንችላለን። This is the expected outcome of the unit. Now let's see the first one. እንግዲህ ወደ መጀመሪያው subtopic እንሄዳለን። Students, are you ready to see this subtopic? Well, please stay motivated with me. Thank you so much, and I'm very truly happy to to see you in this video. That's the first video of Unit 8. Great. Let's see the first subtopic together. The first one is listening, preventing communicable disease. What is communicable disease? Communicable disease using traditional medicine. Communicable disease means the disease passed to others. Yeah, communicable disease. እነዚህ ሊዛመቱ የሚችሉ በሽታዎች ናቸው። communicable disease. I think you know in biology lesson. Do you know the names of plants and spices in the picture? Yeah, እነዚህን ታውቋቸዋላችሁ. For example, you can see like a papaya, garlic, እናያለን እዚህ ጋር. Anyways, do you imagine that in your family and community people use them for medical purposes? Can you mention some of the medicinal values apart from curing illness? What other values do you have? እንግዲህ ከመድኃኒት ባሻገር ለምን ያገለግላሉ? እነዚህን ገስ እናደርጋለን. This is the activity that means pre-listening activities ናቸው. Now your teacher is going to read the listening text entitled Traditional Medicine 2 times. When he or she reads the passage, listen to each paragraph very carefully and write the main idea of each paragraph into your own words ይላል። በራሳችሁ እንግዲህ ሰመራይዝ ቴክስት ባለፈ ሃይላይት አይተናል. So listen to the passage that your teacher will read you entitled Traditional Medicine, then answer the following question saying true or false ይላል. እስኪ ላንዴቅ ያክል traditional medicine in developing countries is being used by 80% of the population, especially in Africa. Many factors contribute to the widespread use of traditional medicine, some of which are accessibility, affordability, faith in the system, and desire to alternative system. And though all plants have their own medical contributions, some plants have better medical value than others. እንዲህ እያለ ይቀጥላል. So እነዚህን እስኪ ጥያቄዎች ያዟቸውና now I'm going to read the listening text. Are you ready to listen, everybody? Great job. Now, here is the listening text. Traditional medicine. This is the title. Traditional medicine is widely used in developing countries by 80% of the population in Africa to meet their primary health care needs. ጥያቄዎችን እያገናኘን ደግመዋለሁ. Traditional medicine is widely used in developing countries by 80% of the population in Africa to meet their primary health care needs. The use of the complementary and alternative medicine is also increasing rapidly in developed countries. I'll repeat. The use of complementary and alternative medicine is also increasing rapidly in developed countries. Many factors contribute to the widespread use of traditional medicine, some of which are accessibility, affordability, faith in the system, desire to have alternative system of medicine with a safer natural base, and the growing economic importance. Now I'll repeat this paragraph again. Many factors contribute to the widespread of traditional medicine, some of which are accessibility, affordability, faith in the system, desire to have alternative system of medicine with a safer natural base, and growing economic importance. On the other hand, there is increasing demand for evidence of safety, efficiency, and quality of traditional medicine products and practices. I'll repeat the sentence again. On the other hand, there is increasing demand for evidence of safety, efficacy. What is efficacy? We'll see later. Efficacy and quality of traditional medicine products and practices. There is a doubt. Unfortunately, evidences which support the claims of TM, that means traditional medicine, TM ማለት traditional medicine, are limited. In addition to the efficacy and safety issues, the growing herbal market and its great commercial benefit has posed a threat to biodiversity. Mhm. Moreover, there is a need for protecting and preserving the indigenous and traditional knowledge of traditional medicine. The above shortcomings and concerns have given rise to issues related to policy, safety, efficacy, and quality, access in traditional use. Rational use. I will repeat. The above shortcomings and concerns have given rise to issues related to policy, safety, efficacy, and quality, access, and rational use. In order to address the above issues and maximize the potential of traditional medicine as a source of healthcare, WHO or World Health Organization has developed a four-year strategy, four-year strategy, and released it during its 55th World Health Assembly. The strategy provides a framework for action for WHO and its partners. The specific objectives of the strategy are to support member countries to: number one, integrate traditional medicine with national healthcare systems. Integrate traditional medicine with national healthcare systems as appropriate by developing and implementing national traditional medicine policies and programs. Number two, promote the safety, efficacy, and quality of traditional medicine by expanding the knowledge based on traditional medicine and by providing guidance on regulatory and quality assurance standards. This is the end of the listening. Hope you record some information or highlight information from the listening text, right? Now let's see the exercises together. Before we see the exercises, there is one word repeated from the listening text. አንድ ተደጋግሞ ተገልጿል. So what is that word? ያ word ምንድን ነው? Number one, let me show you here. Efficacy. ይህ word ተደጋግሞ what does it mean? Efficacy means የትራዲሽናል ሜዲሲን አንዱ አሳሳቢነቱ ምንድን ነው? it is efficacy ይላል አይደል? So capacity or power, it means capacity or power to produce desired effect, a desired effect ማለት ነው efficacy ማለት. Okay, so this is the vocabulary, the meaning of this word. ብዙ ጊዜ ተደጋግሞ ስለተገለጸ ነው። efficacy means capacity or power to produce a desired effect, የሚፈለገውን ያክል ውጤት የማስገኘት ሂደት ነው፣ አቅም ማለት ነው efficacy ማለት። Now traditional medicine in developing countries is being used 80% of the population, especially in Africa ይላል። 80% በሚሆነው yeah, it's perfect, it's true. If you say true, wonderful. The next one is many of factors contribute to the widespread use of traditional medicine, and some of which are accessibility, affordability, faith in the system. Yeah, that is true. So all plants have their own medical contributions. Some plants have better medical value than others. For example, shinkurt, oud, feto, koso, koko, and adam, the traditional medicine, the name of Ethiopian plants. Those of it doesn't mean they are only found in Ethiopia. They are Ethiopian name, no? Ethiopian named them like this, right? The name of the other medical plants እንዲህ ያለ ይቀጥላል። ሪፖርት አድርጉ ይላል። ያ አክቹዋሊ ስቴትመንቱ እንግዲህ ያው በጥያቄ መልክ ነው የተገለጸው። what are the purposes እንግዲህ እነሱን ታያላችሁ። ስፒኪንግ read the dialogue between Gildy and Sharon presented below and express your view by supporting one of them with convincing reason. Do you do the following discussion with your partner on disease prevention? Please justify your reasons. እንግዲህ እነዚህ ኦፒኒየን ምንድን ነው? ባለፈ አይተናል። ኦፒኒየን የሚለውን አይተናል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ read the dialogue and present below and express view. ኦፒኒየናችሁ የእናንተ አስተያየት ምንድን ነው? ኦር ቪው ምንድን ነው? እንግዲህ ተደጋጋሚ አየን ስለ ኦፒኒየን። Gildy, I strongly believe that there will be cures for all diseases in the future if the medical value for most plants is well studied. አብዛኛው ከተጠና ለሁሉም መድኃኒት ለሁሉም ህመም ወይም በሽታ መድኃኒት ይገኛል ብዬ አስባለሁ ነው የሚለው። So, as far as I'm concerned, I strongly disagree because the nature of disease changes from time to time and new disease may also emerge ይላል። ሳሮን ደግሞ as far as I'm concerned I believe in ያላችሁ ነው የምትገልጹት። ኦኬ she doesn't agree because the disease change their forms and type time to time እንግዲህ ከጊዜ ወደ ጊዜ እንደሚቀይሩ ያሳያል። ኦኬ ትራዲሽናል ሜዲሲን and their characteristics ቆንጥር ምንድን ነው? deciduous bushland leaves deciduous bushland ነው የሚገኘው ቅጠሉ ነው። treats goiter, diarrhea, diabetics, sorghum, hemorrhage ክንታሮች and loose teeth ለጥርስ የመሳሰሉትን ለስኳር ለተቅማጥ እንዲህ አገልግሎት አለው ነው የሚለው። dry bushland የሚገኘው ድራይ ቡሽላንድ ነው። ፍሩት ልፍ ላይ ትሪትስ ዲያሪያ ዲያቤቲስ ሶርገን ሄምሬጅ ሉዝ ቲዝ እንዲህ እያለ ይቀጥላል። የምድር በርበሬ የምንለው ዌትላንድስ ፎሬስት ፍሎር እንዲህ እያለ እንግዲህ ሬት አጋም ደፍ አር ፕላንትስ ፋውንድ ኢን ኢትዮጵያ and their function እያንዳንዱን እናያለን ማለት ነው። you can study them actually. How to apologize speaking good, this is our main topic. እንግዲህ እዚህ ጋር apology እንዴት አድርገን ነው ይቅርታ የምንጠይቀው? speaking that is apology እንዴት አድርገን እነዚህን እንጠቀማለን? apology recognize that what apologize to another person is often difficult because it requires humbling or also እንግዲህ humble መሆን ያስፈልጋል። በጣም ጨዋ መሆን ያስፈልጋል። ይቅርታ ለመጠየቅ አይደለ? በጣም ከባድ ነው። and admitting that we did something wrong ትክክል ካልሆነ ግን አድሚት ማድረግ ወይም ማመን መቻል አለብን ነው የሚለው። when you realize that you have damaged relationship and need apologize to your friend, you should recognize that what you did was wrong and take full responsibility. Okay, take ሙሉ ኃላፊነት take full responsibility. Yeah, I must apologize to Matheus for my late arrival. Late ስለሆንኩኝ ማቴዎስን ይቅርታ መጠየቃለሁ። I would like to apologize for my troublemaking ስለረበሽኩኝ። So, making apologies. Expressionist of apology. apology ምን እንላለን? I do apologize for I do apologize 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 for disturbing ስለረበሽኩ ልትሉ ትችላላችሁ። disturbing. Okay, this is this is the main code you are asking for. Another one is I apologize for I would like to apologize for I'm so sorry for I am so sorry I'm so sorry እንዲህ እያልን ልንገልጽ እንችላለን። please forgive me ይቅር በለኝ ስንል እንደዛ እንላለን። excuse me I'm terribly sorry እጅግ በጣም አዝናለሁ። if you accept ስናደርግ ምን ማለት አለብን? እንደዛ ካለን አንድ ሰው accept ስናደርግ okay accept never mind okay ግድ የለም it's all right ይሁን that is all right that's all right ማለት አለብን። don't mention it that's okay በቃሽ it's okay you couldn't help it forget about it እርሳው don't worry about it አታስብ ችግር የለውም don't worry about it doesn't matter ምንም ችግር የለውም don't apologize ይቅርታ መጠየቅ አያስፈልግም don't apologize it is a minor mistake ልንል እንችላለን ቀለል አድርገው ልንል እንችላለን so these are the expressions okay here are some expressions that you can use to make and respond to apologies ይላል እነዚህ እንግዲህ apologies እንጠይቅ የምንጠቀማቸው ናቸው good you accidentally stepped on your colleague's mobile phone and damaged it imagine ጓደኛችሁን ሞባይሉን ሰበራችሁበት apologize explaining why it happened and I promise that you will be more careful in the future yeah I'm terribly sorry for damaging or breaking your mobile phone ማለት እንችላለን አይደለ ላይ ያሉትን እንግዲህ ልንጠቀም do you find apologies difficult why not would you get upset if somebody እንግዲህ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው እነዚህ activity 8.8 choose one correct answer from the following alternatives and your teacher can provide you the correct answer ይላል ከያሞ I'm so dash I'm late there was so much traffic እንግዲህ እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች የተወሰኑ ናቸው አንድ ላይ እንሰራቸዋለን actually ያው የራሳቸው እንትን አላቸው ተመሳሳይ ነገሮች ናቸው ግን what the rule እናያለን so the first ከያሞ I'm so dash I'm late there was so much traffic ይላል yeah I'm so apologize sorry excuse forgive I'm so sorry I'm late I'm so sorry ነው የምንለው ኦኬ እዚህ ጋር ቢ ነው የሚሆነው አኮርዲንግ ቱ ኮንቴክስት ያው አንዳንድ ጊዜ ይሄ ስፒች ላይ ብዙ ጊዜ የምንጠቀመው ስለሆነ ስሩ ፕራክቲስ ነው የሚመጣው ህጎችን እናያለን ግን ስሩ ፕራክቲስ ነው የሚመጣው so you can say I'm so sorry I'm so apologize ወይም excuse forgive አንልም forgive እንዴት እንደምንጠቀም ቀጣይ እናያለን question number 2 Akko, please dash me for interrupting you. I didn't realize you were on the phone, Ila. Please, yeah, forgive me, forgive me, apologize me. ይቅር በለኝ እንደማለት ነው forgive me is better የተሻለው ወይም better የሆነው አንሳር ይሄ ነው ማለት ነው number 3 That's I would like to dash for my fault. I shouldn't have done that. Yeah. One number 3. Question number 3. I would like to apologize for my fault. Apologize. I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done that means I did it man. No, so I would like to apologize. That is the የተሻለው እሱ ነው የሚሆነው Number 4, I'm Dash, but you are sitting in my seat. Adam, oh, pardon me. Pardon me. So, I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm so sorry. ተመሳሳይ ነው ከመጀመሪያው ጋር። Number 5, please dash my sincere apologies for the mistake. It won't happen again ይላል። Number 5, please excuse my sincere apologies. የተሻለው መልስ ይሄ ነው። Excuse my sincere apologies for the mistake. It won't happen again. አክሴፕት ማለት እንችላለን። አክቹሊ ዳዝንት ማተር ኤምቢ ማለት እንችላለን። ሞር ሳውንድ የሚያደርገው ቢ ነው። አንዳንዶቹ ኦልሞስት ተቀራራቢ ስለሚሆን። ነምበር 6 which one of the following is apologizing and making a promise? አፖሎጂ ወይም ይቅርታን የሚጠይቀውና ቃል የሚገባው የትኛው ነው የሚለን። ነምበር 6 please forgive me, it is all my fault። ስህተት ነው፣ ቃል ግን የለውም። I'm terribly sorry, I shouldn't have done that. አልሰራሁትም። ሶሪ መርሳት አልነበረብኝም, but he did it. See, I'm ashamed of being late. It won't happen again. በማርፈዴ በጣም ምን ብያለሁ? አፍሬያለሁ ነው የሚለው። ድጋሚ አይፈትም። see the right answer. ፕሮሚስ እየገባ ነው። Number 7, which one of given is not an appropriate response? Tom, it is all my fault. We missed the train. I should have woken up earlier. Adam? Adam, what the answer for Adam? Diga expression kala yalla. So, number 7, what is the right answer? I'm ashamed of it. Forget about it. Don't mention it. Don't worry about it. I'm ashamed of it. የተሻለ ይሄኛው ነው። The next one is number 8. She's always late, but she never dies to her friends for being late. Number 8. She never excuses, apologies, forgive and feel sorry ይላል። አፖሎጂ ይቅርታ ጠይቃ አታውቅም ነው አይደል የሚሆነው። Number 9, I had a terrible headache last night and I couldn't come to your birthday party. I hope you can. የትኛው ነው የሚሆነው? Number 9, you can dash me, forgive, pardon, excuse, apologize. You can excuse me, you can I hope you can excuse me or forgive me ይቻላል፣ ግን more excuse የተሻለ ነው የሚሆነው። Number 10, dash below the keys. I should have been more careful. That is it was all my fault, no her. It doesn't matter. ግን we lost the key ነው የሚለው። we lost the keys, it is all my fault. ስህተቴ ነው ምክንያቱም ቁልፍ ጥሏል። ከስህተት ነው የሚጀምረው። that is the right expression for question number 10. Read the dialogue and participate with your partner. I can get onto your Wi-Fi. What do I need to do? The first thing, a process ነው። next እንዲህ እያልን ባለፈ process word አይተናል። punctuate the following to short paragraphs by adding capital letter, comma and full stop. People travel. ይችኛዋን people cap, make it cap. Example no. People travel more today than at my time in history. More and more people. People travel more today than at any time in history. እዚህ ጋ full stop ማድረግ። more and more people are traveling by air. እዚች ጋ more እንደ አዲስ መጀመር አለብን። ይሄን ሃይላይት full stop እዚህ ጋ እናደርጋለን። እንዲያረጋችሁ ፕራክቲስ ልታረጉ ትችላላችሁ። the next one is reading ይሄን እናያለን በፍጥነት። አንድ ላይ እናነባለን። 5 minutes በ5 ደቂቃ እንግዲህ ለመጨረስ እንሞክራለን። Now read the passage given below individually and silently. Individually and silently answer the questions that follow it according to the information therein. Moringa oleifera. Moringa ወይም ሽፈራው የምንለው ማለት ነው። What Ethiopian called ሽፈራው had several health benefits that are one of the reasons why it is named the miracle tree ተአምረኛው ትሪ ተብሎ ይጠራል ማለት ነው ሽፈራ። And the tree of life in many cultures. People benefit from Moringa oleifera both in terms of prevention and healing. በመከላከልና በመፈወስ ነው። Moringa oleifera is nutritious and በጣም ብዙ ነገሮች አሉት ውስጡ natural and energizing. The immature produce are the most valued and widely used of all three varieties. The produce are tremendously nutritious, containing all the essential amino acids. እንግዲህ ያለውን ነገር ይገልጻል። tremendously. What does tremendously? Tremendously. What does mean? This is vocabulary የተወሰነ vocabulary እናያለን from the reading part. ቪታሚን እንዳለው ያሳያል እዚህ ጋር vitamins and other nutrients. The immature pork can be eaten raw or prepared like green peas or green beans, while the nature products are usually fried and possess peanut-like flavor. Peanut አይነት እንትን እንዳለው ነው የሚያሳየው. It is clear, sweet and unscented. Unscented. What does it mean? Unscented. ይህ ምንድን ነው? እንመለከታለን። What is the vocabulary? Never becomes rancid. Overall, Moringa rancid. This is the meaning of the word. The leaves are eaten as green in salads, በሰላጣ, in vegetable curries, as pickles, and for seasoning, as pickles. Okay. What does pickle mean? The bark can be used for tanning and also yields of course fiber. The flour, which must be cooked, are eaten either mixed with other foods የሚለው አለፍ Moringa is considered a complete food as it contains all of the essential amino acids required for a healthy body. The dried leaves is nutritional powerhouse and it contains all of the following amino acids. እንግዲህ የያዘውን ነገር ይገልጥልናል ማለት ነው። የመጨረሻውን እናያለን። Findings of studies made up India, South Africa, and other Asian countries, which were used as the basis of many new reports on Moringa oleifera, although no wonder plant stated that Moringa contains the acute cancer remedy. Healing ፓወር አለው። decrease depression ይቀንሳል። እንዲህ እያለ ይሄዳል ማለት ነው። So what are the meaning of the word is extracted from the passage? So rancid used to decompose ለማድረግ ያገለግለናል ይለናል። Another one is on pickle vegetable እንዳትክልት vegetable ሆኖ ያገለግለናል። as pickle ማለት unscented. What does unscented mean? Unscented means has no order of flavor, which is not heard. Tremendously means large. Tremendous large number ማለት ነው። ኤክስትራኦርዲናሪ እንደማለት ነው። ትሪሜንደስ። እነዚህ እንግዲህ የቮካብላሪዎቹ ከምንባቡ የወጡ ናቸው። በቀጥታ እዚህ ጋር ያሉትን እናያለን። አኮርዲንግ ቱ ዜር ኮንቴክስት look at each of the words given below and column A mentioned in paragraph 1 to diga, and then match their contextual meaning with column B as they are used in the passage ይላል። ፓሴጅ ላይ በተገለጹት መሰረት እስኪ እናያቸው። Number 1, tremendous. What does it mean? Number 1, tremendously means great in number. የመሳሰሉትን አይተናል ቀደም። ዲጋ tremendous large in number ዲጋ ተገልጿል። እስኪ እናየው። tremendously in paragraph 1 means great in number. See, tremendous, great ዲጋ great in number ዲጋ ልትገልጹ ትችላላችሁ። ተጨማሪ great in number. unscented ምን ብለናል እዚህ ጋር? odor which is not heard. odor ወይም fragrance እንደማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እጁ ላይ no fragrance means odor እንደማለት ነው፣ ሽታ። ስለዚህ number 2, the right answer is having no fragrance or odor ማለት ነው። that is G. ስለዚህ unscented means having no fragrance ማለት ነው። የተጋነነ ሽታ የሌለው እንደማለት ነው። synthesize then paragraph 2, number 3. synthesize means to make up or produce. synthesize means ምን ማለታችን ነው? እዚህ ጋር synthesize to make up or produce. Great job. Number 4, astonish አስገራሚ የሆነ ማለት ነው። okay, astonish means amazing, exciting or ምን ይላል እዚህ ጋር እንትናቸው ላይ great surprise እንደማለት ነው። okay, next let's move to combat ስንል እዚህ ጋር ለመከላከል ነው። combat. number 5, to combat means, you know this word in history, combat means fight. combatant ተዋጊዎች እንደማለት ነው አይደል? combatant. allowances number 4, paragraph 4, allowances. number 6, allowance actually ሁለት ትርጉም አለው። allowance አበል ወይም ፖኬት መኒ እንደማለት ነው። so number 7, acute ስንል ሻርፕ ማለት ነው። acute ማለት ላይ ይሄን ታውቁታ። acute አንግል አለ እዚህ ጋር ሻርፕ ማለታችን ነው። ሻርፕ great. persistently number 8, continue with the same course of action. persist ማለት shift ሲያደርጉ ባሉበት አቋም መቀጠል ማለት ነው። persistently. number 6, depression. number 9, depression. great feeling of sadness. depression, sadness, not being happy, that's the meaning. and the last one, healers. heal ምንድነው? healers ስንል ምን ማለታችን ነው? ዲጋ that gives መፈወስ አይደለ? healer means gives health again. ማለት ነው። that is the meaning of the word. ኦኬ ወርድ ፎርሜሽን እናያለን አሁን። ወርድ ፎርሜሽን again እንግዲህ ፓራግራፉን አይተናል። ስለሽ ፈራው word another subtopic word formation ወይም ጥምር ቃላቶችን እናያለን ማለት ነው። ወርድ ፎርሜሽን እንግዲህ በፕሪፊክስ አይተናል፣ በተለያዩ ነገሮች አይተናል። ወርድ ፎርሜሽን ላይ what is we can form a word using number one technically የመጀመሪያው compounding ነው። compounding gives single meaning ይኖራቸዋል። for example male man የሚለው ሁለት ወርድ ጥምረት ነው። ሜል እና ሜል ደብዳቤ ነው አይደል? ሜል እና ማን ሜል ማን ደብዳቤ ሜሎችን የሚያደርስ ሰው ምን ተብሎ ይጠራል? ሜል ማን ተብሎ ይጠራል ማለት ነው። firewood for example firewood ማገዶ እንጨት አንድ ነገር ነው። ፋየር ሌላ ነው፣ ውድ ሌላ ነው አይደለ? ፋየር እሳት ነው የኛ። አሁን አንድ ትርጉም ነው። ፋየር ወርድ ፋየር ፕሌስ። ኢሜይል ኤሌክትሮኒክ ሜይል ማለት ነው። ኢሜይል ሁለት ነገሮች ተጣምረዋል። ኢሜይል ስንል ኤሌክትሮኒክ ሜይል ማለት ነው። የምናውቀው በፖስታ አለ አይደል? እሱ ማለት ነው። በእሱ በሶፍት ኮፒ ሲሆን divide the following words into before that back formation የምንለው አለ። back formation always involves the reduction changing the form of the word ማለት ነው። editor edit television televise babysitter babysit mathematics maths diplomatic diplomat ወርዱን ማሳጠር ነው ወርዱን። let's see activity 8.15 divide the following words into small units. Morpheme small unit of word is called a morpheme. morphemes ተብሎ ይጠራል ማለት ነው። small unit of word. For example editor editor okay tor edit ይሆናል ማለት ነው። psychology okay ትክክለኛው ምንድነው? ሳይክ ነው ይሄኛው ስነ አእምሮ። ስለዚህ እንዲህ ስናሳጥራቸው ምንድናቸው? ሞርፊም ይሆናሉ ማለት ነው። ባክ ኢንፎርሜሽን የምንለው ይሄኛው ነው። always involves reduction change the form of the word. ዲፕሎማቲክ ስንል ዲፕሎማት እያሳጠርን መጻፍ ነው። but keep the meaning of the word የወርዱን ትርጉም ግን የግዴታ መጠበቅ መቻል አለብን ማለት ነው። ኦኬ replace ፕሌስ ነው አይደለም? ይሄን ቃሉ replace retroactive retroact IVE አሁን ይሄንን ለሶስት retroactive active ቤዝ ወርዳችን የትኛው ነው? አንድ ነገር ነው እዚህ ጋር አክት IVE አለ እዚህ ጋር። ይህንን በመለማመድ ነው። ቤዝ ወርዳችን ይሄ ነው ማለት ነው። አክት ሩት ወርድ ዋና ቃሉ ይሄ ነው ማለት ነው። ሩት ወርድ እስኪ አንድ ላይ እንመልከት እዚህ ጋር አሁን fill the missing words of back formation in the blank spaces ይላል። አሁን administration ወደ ቨርብ አድሚኒስተር ነው። አድሚኒስተር ኦኬ ሌትስ ሲ ዘ ኤክሰርሳይዝ ኤክሰርሳይዙን እኔ እስኪ አድሚኒስተር አድሚኒስትሬሽን ናውን ነው። ቨርብ ሲሆን አድሚኒስተር አድሚኒስተር ነምበር ቱ ቨርብ ናቸው እነዚህ። ሪኮግናይዝ ሪኮግኒሽን ሪኮግናይዝ ይሆናል። እንደዚህ ባክ ፎርሜሽን ሬጅስትሬሽን ሬጅስተር ቨርብ ሆነ ማለት ነው። ሪሜዲ ነምበር 4 ሪሜዲ ነው፣ ተመሳሳይ ነው። ሪሜዲ ነምበር 5 አብዳክሽን አብዳክት ይሆናል። አብሶርፕሽን አብዞርቭ ነው የሚሆነው እኛ። the next one is advisor advice orientation number 7 number 8 ኦሪየንት ተደርጓል ይላለናል። ኦሪየንት ማድረግ ቨርቡን አክሽን ነው። ኦኬ ኔክስት ሂር ኢዝ ዘ ፍሬዛል ቨርብ። እንግዲህ ጋር ፍሬዛል ቨርቦች አሉ፣ እነሱን ቀጣይ ፕራክቲስ እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው። today we have done the targeted lesson topic እሱን ጨርሰናል ማለት ነው። to remind you or to recap or summarize main points of the lesson in this video, we have just discussed compounding words, back formation ደግሞ አሳጥሮ መጻፍ የሚለውን the missing word እሱን አይተናል። different vocabularies according to the context አይተናል። in addition to that how to ask apology እንዴት አድርገን እንደምንጠይቅ አይተናል ማለት ነው። word formation ደግሞ ይሄንን አየን። different vocabularies extracted from the text አይተናል። I hope next you're going to do the exercise given here እንደምትሰራቸው ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። if you have completed the tasks earlier, please take time to revise and study again and again. That is my advice. If you have any question, ask one another or each other, or help one another. በራሳችሁ በደንብ ጥያቄዎችን ጠይቁ፣ ተረዳዱ ማለት ነው። Now this is the time to say see you next time. Bye.